Yeah, we got Mike in the building. We found him. Oh yeah. Yeah, we found him. What you got in your hand? What you got in your hand?
I just took a tour home.
Yeah, you gonna keep that for memory? Yeah. This is like your third one you've been to. So they got the Las Vegas license plates. You know. Hey, where did they go for the S2K meets? Arizona, huh? They go to Arizona? No, it's just S2Ks that roll on the freeway and they just follow each other.
We just go to Pasadena over there. They got a Ferrari.
We got nice carbon fiber hoods. No one's trying to race though. The cops is here. Stupid stickers. We got the simple but good rims, you know, fly rich type stuff right there. That's the new Honda Accord. JP had one of those. He can't afford it though. He had to go back to the S2K. We got the oldest car in the meet. So, got some cool rims, but that's too old for us. We got another old car right here. What is this? Damn. So hip hop stylish in there. Kind of old school, huh? Like the old school stuff.
Look at Charlie. They got shuffling over there. Charlie was shuffling.
Oh shit, we got shufflers right here. Okay. Who, me? You wanna throw me on YouTube? Give me on YouTube. Let's go. It's your boy D Money. You know. I know.
Look at D Money. Get it, D Money. Look at this nigga Javon. Look at Javon. D Money. This Javon making himself look like a fool. Shuffling. Little man stole a show. Little man stole a show.
And he got it. Yeah, that's crazy. We out here having fun. Mike, let's go. Hey, Tyro, let's go. Hey, this kid getting it. Yeah, I'm tired. He won't leave. Look at Del Slows.
Del Slow.
Hey, this fool got a camera posted up on here. You seen it? Watch. Look at the camera. That's how he recorded when he raced.
Yeah.
I never seen that shit.
Where's the camera?
It's right there. You never seen that? I thought the homie was in the back, like, just recording all the time. How much that thing cost to put the camera on? That's good. It's clearing up out here, you know. It's over at 4. It's like 228 right now on a G-Shock. We got the, what is that? The Skyline? Nah, get closer. It's an Infinity. That fool's still here. He don't want to open up the hood though. He don't want to go to jail. He's still back there? Uh-oh. Let's hear that sound one more time. Got that Tokyo drift style over here. You gonna paint it all black? The Infinity. That ain't no Skyline. He got the double dual exhaust. That's why it sounds so loud. No more. Hey, look at your face, Mike. Can't handle it. Throwing out flames. It's throwing out flames, man. We're gonna go back over here where the S2Ks are. You know I gotta give me one of those. Oh, I got one already.
You came, dog?
Yeah, man, I'm happy.
Man, you was about to...
I booked it here, man.
You about to lag on me not so well, man. I'm like, damn.
In the Ford Fiesta, huh?
You wasn't about to...
Up in the Ford Fiesta. You going hard, huh? Hey, we represent.
I own all of them.
I can't believe you came by yourself, Mike.
I was here with the homies earlier. They took off.